let me show you what happens in Chrome when we visit our website. For example, I type in cars, I search on Chrome, and I go to that website. This is how cookies work. Now I visit this website. Now automatically, you know what this website might be doing right now, and I'm pretty sure they are, is they are setting a cookie in my browser. If I have my browser, if my browser is accepting cookies, this website was able to go into my browser. It was able to send a request to set a cookie into my browser. All right, and we're gonna find out where they did it. Right now, this browser, I know for sure that it's accepting cookies. You can turn it off in your browser depending on what browser you are using. On Google Chrome, if you go to the settings here, you can erase history on Google Chrome, but that's not going to erase the cookies. There are information that was set by other websites in your browser that you don't even know about. All right, so I'm going to show you right now in Google Chrome how you see this information. Let's go to settings. Let's go to show advanced settings. Let's go to content settings. Let's go to all cookies and site data. These are all the sites that I have visited or for some reason was redirected there, and all the sites that stored cookie in my browser. Right? This guy, I don't know what site that this is, but this website set 3 cookies in my browser. I click on it and I can see that they said this one, this one, and this one. I click on this one, this one. All right? This could be references to sessions in the server. But actually references are actually a lot longer than that. They're not references. All right? For if I click on it, you can see all the information they said. They said the name of the cookie right there. That's the name, RTB data 0, and the content. This is all the information they are saving in my browser. The path, any kind of connection, accessible, yes, created, the date, and the day expires. It will expire. So this cookie expires on February 8, 2017. All right, so basically this is gonna stay alive in my browser for 2 years, because we are in 2015, of course, but 2 years in my browser. Isn't that crazy, right? That's a lot. So it was created here, and it was gonna expire. It's gonna be on my browser if I don't delete it for 2 years. Remove. I don't know who that is, and I'm going to delete it, right? But anyways, this is how cookies work. You visit a website and all of a sudden they are allowed to set cookies in your browser. So next time you visit that website, they know who you are, all right, and they can greet you by your name, or they can tell you, listen, especially this website here. Let's go to the cars.com. So next time I come visit here, they might say, you know what, this guy was actually searching on these sedans for 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and show him another type of sedan that we have for sale this week. So they can personalize your visit the next time you visit. Now they got this cookie set up in your browser, and when you come back, you actually send back that data to their server. They process that data and they send back some information from their server to your browser to give you some personalized visit to their website or application. This is how cookies work, all right? So you don't set it. The application sets it for you in your browser. And then when you visit that website again, you send it back to them in the header. All right? So anyways, I just wanted you to I wanted you to know the information, because we're going to be talking about how to set cookies and how we can read information in the next lecture. Thank you so much, and I'll see you then. Take care.